There we go. Brrrr. After like 30 minutes of trial and error, I roughly figured out how to do a proper domain expansion in Yeeps hide and seek. Now, in the world of Jujutsu Kaisen, domain expansion is where you put curse tech energy into a curse technique or an innate domain, and it becomes like this super powerful. Every hit is 100% guaranteed. But mainly, it creates this barrier, and it traps you and the opponent inside. And in this game, we don't really have something like that. We got superpowers, the ability to dash and have fun, fly, but no domain expansion. That makes me sad. So, what I give you today is the first domain expansion in Geeps history. Domain expansion. Blocks of cotton. Oh. Hi. Wait. It's not going again. Well, this is embarrassing. Yeah, this is my little domain. How it works basically is I have this and it shoots a radiation bomb down to make sure there's a space cleared. And I have a bunch of pillow booger bomb cannons all orientated in a way. After lots of trial and error, I have found that when pillow bombs explode, you only like, excuse me, 7 or 5 of them explode. And I have like 9 here, 9 or 8. So not all of them go off, so I have to do it twice. How about we just do that again? Okay. Right there. Hi. Okay, domain expansion, blocks of cotton. I know the roof is still open. Like, up here, still open. But hey, it is better than nothing. I would love to see some better stuff. Yeah. You try to make one of these and put some ideas down in the comments for how to do this. Track and jockey.